Welcome back. Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you will ever make. And if you're selling a home for the first time, there's so much you need to know. It can often be overwhelming. Our partners at Coldwell Banker know the real estate game inside and out and are sharing some insider secrets.
Hi, I'm Dave Bunker with Coldwell Banker, Howard Perry & Wellston in Cary, North Carolina. There's some secrets that I've learned that I think are really important in buying and selling real estate. If you're not leveraging social media today to buy or sell a home, you're missing out. 92% of buyers will go to the internet to start their home search, and that's critical to their finding the right home for them.
Hi, I'm Angel Piontek with Coldwell Banker Elite from Fredericksburg, Virginia. One of the tips I give my sellers is that if you are thinking of selling your home in the future, to take photos of the home in different seasons. So take that beautiful winter wonderland photo or that gorgeous red maple that shows off in the fall. An agent's job is to tell the home story, and those photos can make a really big difference.
CBX is a new technology that we use to uniquely provide a mapping between the buyer and the seller's home, and will give you all the differentiation you need to win the sale. Remember, good marketing done properly should deliver a 3% higher price.
Handwritten notes from a buyer to a seller can set your offer apart in a competitive market. The sellers want to know who's purchasing their home, and it humanizes the process a little bit. A quick note about their story and telling the seller what they love about the home can make a huge impact. It gives the seller a sense of who you are, and you're not just reduced to a name on a form.
There's a big difference in the quality of the agent that you should look for, and you definitely want to strive for a good experience level agent in order to sell your home fast and at the right price. The difference between a good agent and a lesser agent is significant, and I would say, first of all, the exposure that a good agent can provide is typically 2 times what a lesser agent will bring to your home and 10 times what a for sale by owner would deliver.
I can't stress enough the importance of great photos and videos when marketing a property. Gone are the days where buyers are looking at 20 properties in one weekend. They're ruling them out online. That means it's even more important to have exceptional photos and videos to show the home in the best light. And remember, there are plenty of websites that will give preference to listings with video, so video is essential. After all, the more exposure, the better.
Well, now that you've heard from the experts, start your search for that dream home by visiting coldwellbanker.com.